Hey there, Toby Stark, Stark Associates Insurance Agency. Today I'm going to go over a tutorial on how you look up your maintenance medications during the annual enrollment period, which is October 15th to December 7th, to decide what drug plan is going to be best for you for the upcoming year. And the Kaiser Family Foundation says that 7 out of 10 Medicare beneficiaries do not review their maintenance medication plan and could be overpaying for premium. So, depending upon where you live, there might be anywhere from 10 to 15 insurance carriers that offer maintenance medication standalone drug coverage in where you live under the Part D umbrella. You usually get an annual notice of change at the end of September. It will explain to you what the premium is going to be for the upcoming year. And if for whatever reason it's not going to cover some of the maintenance medications you're on, that would probably be a motivator for you to move to another plan. So let me go over how you search for these maintenance medications. You're going to go to Medicare.gov and you're going to click on Find Health and Drug Plans. We're going to select the zip code. When I say select the zip code, you want to enter the zip code in which you live. Next, select the type of plan you want. We're going to do a Medicare Part D plan. Now, this is what we do year over year for our Medicare beneficiaries, so there's no magic here. We go to a public-facing Medicare.gov website. I do and would recommend you save time and create a username and login so you can come back year over year. So we're going to click on Find Plans. Do you get help with your Medicare health or drug costs? We'll say, I don't get any help, and we'll go to the next page. Tell us your search preferences. Do you want to see your drug costs and compare plans? Yes, we do. So I am going to add some commonly known and prescribed drugs. So it says that Lipitor has a generic and it's atorvastatin. So we're going to add the generic because most are on. And let's just assume that the dosage is a 40 milligram tablet. The quantity is 30 and you have it every month. If for whatever reason your dosage is different, hit the drop down and select, or the quantity is different or the frequency is different. So we're going to add that. And then we'll add another drug. We can do this 100 milligram tablet. So we have 2. And then let's say we'll add Crestor. And it's going to come up with a generic rosuvastatin calcium. So let's say you're on these 3 and it's a 20 milligram tablet. Okay. So you confirm your drug list. You go, okay, these are the 3 drugs that I'm currently on. I'm done adding drugs. All right, next up, in the geographical area in which you live, there are pharmacies which you go to if you don't do mail order. So you have to pick. So in this option for the zip codes, I'm going to pick Walgreens. And then I'm going to go to the next page and pick Little Silver Family Pharmacy. Okay, so those are 2 options. And you may be surprised by this, but every pharmacy negotiates differently, which could lead to different pricing. So sometimes to save money, you may be encouraged to go to a different pharmacy. So it's important that you sort plans by lowest drug and premium costs, because why would you pay $1 more for a maintenance medication, all things being the same? So in this run, it shows us 10 of 14 drug plans on this page, and this is the least expensive drug plan and a plan that we would recommend, which would be, because it leads the list here, WellCare Value Script. You can see their star rating. If you want to look more into star rating, you can. The monthly premium it shows is $2.30, and it includes only the drug coverage. That's what we're searching for. The total drug and premium cost, I'm doing this in the back end of 2025. These maintenance medications are pretty inexpensive, but it says it's $6.90 estimated total drug and premium cost. And the deductible for this plan is $590. People get tripped up and think like, I'm using my drug plan, but I keep paying, that's because you haven't met your deductible yet. And by definition, the insurance carrier, if it has a deductible, will not pay until you pay your share first. So if you want to dive in a little bit deeper, you can look at the plan details, and it shows an overview again of the plan premium, the deductible, and the contact information. And it shows the drug coverage and the drug list. It shows the quantities. It shows the frequencies. It shows the brand. It's all generic. Now it shows the pharmacies. Little Silver Pharmacy is in network. Okay. But look at Walgreens. It's preferred in network. And scrolling down, we're going to see what that really means. When you used to be on a group medical plan, you just paid a copay for your drugs and you didn't care where you went. Well, when you're on Medicare, it's a little bit different. So if you take these maintenance medication drugs and go to the Little Silver Family Pharmacy in this situation in network, your total drug cost will be $67.05 for the remainder of the year. Look if you go to Walgreens. $0. That's where the consumerism comes into play. So if you have a good relationship with your pharmacy, that's great, but look at other pharmacies in the radius of in which you live. You might be able to save money. So it shows here your estimated drug and premium cost broken down by pharmacy. You could see who the clear winner is. And it also will tell you that you won't meet your deductible with the remaining months left in this plan. So as I'm showing you today, there are 3 months left in this year, and you could see the difference depending upon where you decide to go. So it's important for you to search your plan and also your maintenance medications when you enter them in and you go to that next page as we were talking about. Make sure you select a couple of pharmacies. That's important, and in this case we did too. So it goes over the star rating here, and you can look at that. So that's all there is to reviewing your maintenance medications and then picking a plan. You can click on enroll and you can join the plan right from here. If you have any questions about how to use Medicare.gov past what I showed you, please send us an email. We're happy to help. This is based upon the high volume of the year, is an easier way for you to do it, and you can do it on your own. We're here to assist you reviewing your maintenance medications and providing you what we think is the best plan, but that's what we use. We use Medicare.gov to assist you, so you can do it on your own as well. The one thing I would say to focus on is just do it and go through the motions, because it will only benefit you. Toby Stark, Stark Associates Insurance Agency. Have a good day.